Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My voice is, my voice is like this because I have flu, but life has to move on, guys. Flu, man's Welcome to this vlog. Thank you so much for um watching this video. I am thanking you in advance. I'm hoping you're gonna like it. Like this video, comment down below what kind of videos would you like me to do for you. This is a spend a day with me, and yes guys, I'm really happy to have you here. Please bear with me, my voice is as in it's been days, like my voice has been like this for days. I don't know guys, please recommend something that I can drink for my voice to come back, because I'm tired of having this voice. Okay, yes, I will see you throughout this vlog again. Hi guys, welcome back again to this vlog. I know last time I spoke in this vlog, I said I'm going to a family ceremony in Tonton, but I ended up not going, and I'm on my bed hair days one. But I ended up not going because I realized I have a lot of things to do, because my son's birthday party is coming this weekend, so I ended up going to get things for the party. So yeah, let me show you what I got. So the theme is Spider-Man. I got these glasses. And this. Happy birthday, Prince, and his name is Prince. Yeah. This is a stand. Yay, ngayingoku. Ngalokhu ke. It's yellow. It's a cupcake stand. Ngalokhu ke. Serviettes and the plates. This one. Changak. Here, 2 for I'm of money. Party packs. Don't. Yeah, killer. 2, 4, 6. Okay. I don't know what these are called, but these in just valid baby man. You will see. Yeah. Is it for one? It's on that it will come out no matter the circumference. So these are the things that I got. I got this at Johannesburg CBD because the lady that I got for decoration, she just disappointed me, telling me that she decided to give the decor to someone else. So it's fine. And it's last, we need to get someone else because now we only have 3 days left to the actual birthday party. So okay, yeah, it is what it is, but at least I saved money. Now this is the end of this vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe to this channel, please. I beg you. I will continue the vlog. I will start another vlog with birthday preparations and whatnot, and then I will vlog the actual birthday party. Bye.